And now I'm going to teach you how to make a love box. This is the one that I made, and I used a tissue box. I took the plastic out of the top. If you don't have a tissue box like this, you can use any box. And the next thing I did is I wrote the word love. I did it with crayons. You can use crayons or markers. I spelled L-O-V-E, love. And then I decorated this side with stickers. And I did a drawing over here of a heart, and I put rainbows on this side. So you can use markers or crayons or stickers and make beautiful images on your love box. And the next thing you do is you take strips of paper, and Mommy and Daddy can help you, or you can cut a strip of paper like this, and then you can decorate it with a heart or with a rainbow or with a star or anything else very special. Now this love box is actually a place to put special messages, and that's why we have these papers, so that you can write special messages to each other at home, or if you're FaceTiming with Grandma and Grandpa, you might want to write a special message to them or even to a friend, but especially the people who live in your home. And what you do is you write a message. You first decorate the strip of paper, and then you can each write a message each day or whenever you feel like it during the week. And then you read them to each other. And then you fold it in half and you put it in the love box. Now I wrote 2 special messages for you. This one says, "Thank you so much for joining me today." And this one says, "I love sharing so many things with you, and I hope you'll join me again." I'm going to put these in my love box. And this is so special being with you today. So bye-bye for now. I hope to see you soon. Rainbow kisses.